Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing $3.us. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a website that will let you share your thoughts, and it will actually, they claim that you will earn $100 and help us, as you can see here, it help us improve the shopping experience and receive $100 as our way of saying thanks. So I'm just gonna say right off the bat, guys, that this is too good to be true, and this is more than likely a scam. So as you can see right here, we have it here opened up on malware tips, and they basically expose the scam. So the Dollar Tree Rewards Program Con. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So this is why people fall for it. Trusted brand name, enticing offer, urgency tactics, fake testimonials. And the real purpose is data harvesting and affiliate marketing scam. Step 1, the hook of $100, which is very obvious. Fake survey, data collection, and the trap, and the endless loop. So please, guys, do not fall for this. And as you can see, there's also a post here on Reddit, $3.us scam alert. So this person got scammed. And as you can see, the comments are saying that don't believe anything you see in social media. Your first mistake was TikTok. Your second mistake was following a link from TikTok. And basically, that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.